Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you what it's like as a weak nailed person to have gel polish on my natural nails. So as you can see, this is exactly what happens. So my nails tend to break where the skin is rather than at the tip. So due to this, my gels chip, as you can see. So I don't tend to have gel polish just on my natural nails for this reason. Where my natural nails are so bendy, you can see that the gel just easily chips, easily bends and easily breaks. So I am going to be showing you what I do with my natural nails just to keep them nice and strong. So I'm going in with my drill bit. I think this drill bit is from Willow, is it Willow? Willow Academy, that's it. I was trying to think of the other words that come into my head. Willow Academy, they do some amazing drill bits. You can find them on Instagram. They've got their website as well where you can order from. So I'm just removing my gel polish from my natural nails. So as you can see, this is where my nails tend to break, right in the middle where the skin is, and it's quite sore when it happens. So I'm going to be showing you how to repair a broken nail. So now on a low speed and using my sanding band, I am going in and etching my natural nail beds, also removing any dead skin. Now using a tea bag, I'm going to be going in and repairing that broken nail because I really don't want it to get shorter than it is, and it would be pretty sore. So this is the only method that's actually worked for me. I have tried just directly putting builder gel over a broken nail, but eventually after about maybe 4 or 5 days, it does start to break again underneath and crack the gel. I mean, it is stronger than gel polish, but it does eventually come through, which is super irritating. So we're going in with a tea bag. You just want to cut a little piece to go over the broken nail. Then once you have applied your tea bag flush over your nail bed and it's all glued on secure, you want to then go ahead and buff over the tea bag that you have glued down, but you of course don't want to remove it. You just want to make sure you buff it down so it's nice and even for your builder gel application. You want to then go ahead and wipe down your nail beds with pure acetone. This is all you need for the gel bottle builder in a bottle. You don't even need a base coat, which is super amazing. You just go in and apply your product. The colour I am going in with is Adventurous. This is like a ever so slightly darker shade of their colour Baby, so it's like a little darker, slightly darker version of their builder in a bottle colour Baby. It is a beautiful bubblegum pink colour. So once you are happy with the coverage and your application, you want to go ahead and flash cure your nail for 10 seconds. Then you want to move on to the next nail. The reason why you want to flash cure is because you don't want the product to start moving into the cuticle area. So then once you have applied it onto your second nail, you go ahead and flash cure again. Then once you have done all of your nails, you go ahead and give them a full cure of 60 seconds. So when I used to cure my builder in a bottle, I used to get heat spike, but recently I've not been getting heat spike, and I think it's just the lamp that I use. I use the Sun UV LED free, Sun Free I think it's called. It's excellent. I don't even put it on a 90-second cure because they say that if you get heat spike from your gels, put it on a 90-second cure. That way it will gradually cure them for you and you won't get such a heat spike feeling on your nails. But with the lamp I've got, I just put it in for 60 seconds and I get no issues. I get slight tingly warm sensation on my nail beds, but I don't get anything major anymore. So I had absolutely no problems curing these. So once your nails are fully cured, you want to go ahead and apply some pure acetone just to remove any sticky residue before you want to go ahead and file, shape and buff your nails. So here I am going ahead and using the same drill bit as I did previously to remove my gel polish. So now I am using my sanding band to even out and buff my builder gel. I am now going in with a high shine non-wipe top coat on my index finger and my ring finger. My middle finger, pinky and thumb will be matte. So here I am going in with a lightning bolt design. I have used Premier Gel's black gel polish, and the brush I am using is from the beauty supply. They come in a pack of 3. So I have just gone ahead and drawn my lightning bolt. I will then cure this nail for 60 seconds. I have done 2 coats of the black gel polish. Cure each coat for 60 seconds. Once I have done that, I will go ahead and use SNA Professional's Foil Fix Gel. This gel is super sticky, one of the best foil gels I have used. You literally apply 1 coat of the gel, you cure in the lamp for just 30 seconds. Then once you press your foil onto the design you want to get foiled, you will see that the foil sticks onto your design like a magnet. It literally gets forced into that polish, which is just what you want. So I will be going ahead and applying a gold foil to create my lightning bolt to become gold. So this is just a foil I got from eBay. Once I have applied my foil, I will go ahead and top coat the whole nail matte, just so we can have a matte background and a shiny lightning bolt. So once I have applied the matte top coat and cured for 60 seconds, I will then go ahead and apply a high shine non-wipe top coat to the gold lightning bolt. So that way you've got a matte pink background and a shiny gold lightning bolt. So here are the finished nails. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you all again so much. I hope the video was helpful and I will see you all in my next video.